Omowasiri wabajanu inero ikirana asomo yego yiboko wekero chiguto kwa borokiwa bali banyara bagosomera ubunyagitari kurwase enyagitari yose Outspan Medical College ni wananyarega kuburi aba Kenya kwene kunagonyora bali chikadi Nhif iri kwegendelia usikonyoro bobweni asinyagitari anina sense yituka ya Kenya kaokwana nigateruna nigo serikali ya Kenya kwanse bigetemero birimia anegosira na gukini birengo byobajenu asinyagitari au
Our focus, Your Excellency, is on primary health care. That is going to be delivered by the people who make the first contact with patients. And they are none other but the graduates who are graduating today. Your Excellency, allow me to also say that the agenda that you have outlined together with the President of this Republic is on us being registered on National Health Insurance Fund. Nhif. Therefore, as I stand here today, I want to call upon the residents of Nyamira County and all Kenyans listening to me today that let us get registered, because that is the only avenue that we have so far that we are going to ensure that everyone gets access to quality health care.